Snoring is not a quirk. It's the sound of your airway slowly failing while you sleep. After 40 years in practice, I can spot an airway problem years before a physician. The worn teeth, the scalloped tongue, the dry mouth, the increased decay, all of these are signs that your airway is failing you. Most people treat snoring as background noise. It usually means the airway is in fact collapsing. Soft palate is dropping, closing your airway, and that sound, which we thought was just an annoyance, is actually the sound of someone in trouble with an airway. From heart disease, diabetes type 2, high blood pressure, dementia, Alzheimer's, and a host of other issues. Fixing your airway protects your heart, brain, and your longevity, not just your sleep.